Microsoft Word has been around for decades, and most people use it for simple typing. But did you know that Word is packed with hidden features that can make your work faster, cleaner, and more professional? Today, we're exploring why you should use Microsoft Word beyond the basics, focusing on some of the hidden features that every user should know. Stick around until the end, and if you find this useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tips. One of the best hidden features is the navigation pane. Instead of scrolling endlessly through long documents, this tool lets you jump between headings, pages, and search results instantly. Simply go to the View tab and check Navigation pane. It's perfect for reports, research papers, or any long document where organization is key. You can even drag headings to restructure your document in seconds, saving hours of manual formatting. Another powerful hidden tool is Smart Lookup. You don't need to leave Word to check definitions, research topics, or find web references. Just highlight a word or phrase, right-click, and choose Smart Lookup. Word will pull definitions, images, and related information directly into your workspace, making research faster and keeping your focus in one place. Did you know Word can also remove backgrounds from images? With the Remove Background tool, you can make your images look professional without extra software. Insert an image, click Picture Tools, then select Remove Background. Word will automatically detect the subject and let you refine it. This feature is especially useful for presentations, flyers, or newsletters where clean visuals matter. Another hidden gem is Quick Parts. Instead of typing repetitive text like signatures, greetings, or disclaimers, you can save it and insert it anytime. Just highlight the text, go to Insert, choose Quick Parts, and save. It's a huge time saver and ensures consistency across all your documents. Finally, Microsoft Word now has built-in Read Aloud and advanced editor tools. Read Aloud lets you hear your text to catch mistakes, while the editor gives grammar, clarity, and style suggestions in real time. Together, these features help you produce polished professional documents without extra effort. So if you've been using Word only for typing, it's time to explore these hidden features. They make your workflow faster, your documents cleaner, and your content more professional. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe for more Word tips, and share this video with someone who could use these hidden hacks. Thanks for watching.